Good morning. Want to catch up on today's biggest headlines in just a few minutes? From major moves on Wall Street to bold decisions in Washington, we've got the four news you can't miss. Curious how Elon Musk, the Federal Reserve, and new travel bans could impact your day? Stay with us. Your fast track to the news starts now. Elon Musk is urging Americans to take action against President Donald Trump's new tax bill after failing to convince lawmakers to keep key electric vehicle tax credits. According to sources, the Tesla CEO personally appealed to House Speaker Mike Johnson to preserve the $7,500 subsidy for electric cars. But the House version of the bill would largely end this incentive by late 2025. Following his unsuccessful lobbying effort, Musk intensified his opposition, posting on social media for citizens to contact their representatives and kill the legislation, citing its $2.4 trillion cost. Call your senator. Call your congressman. Bankrupting America is not okay, he wrote. The White House responded by saying the bill would drive unprecedented economic growth. Meanwhile, tensions have risen between Musk and the administration after he stepped down from leading Trump's government efficiency initiative. Senator Roger Marshall commented that Musk was not a significant factor in recent discussions. The Congressional Budget Office estimates the bill would add $2.4 trillion to deficits over 10 years. Musk's campaign comes as Trump works to secure support for the measure, making Musk's stance a potential obstacle to its passage. Weak U.S. economic data raises chances of Fed rate cuts. A series of weak U.S. economic reports on Wednesday pushed interest rates lower and increased expectations for Federal Reserve rate cuts this summer. The ADP private payrolls report showed only 37,000 new jobs in May, well below forecasts of 115,000 and the lowest since March 2023. Two other key reports also signaled unexpected softness in the economy. The Federal Reserve's Beige Book added to concerns, noting a worsening outlook in several regions. Investors are now closely watching Friday's government employment data for May, which could further influence market sentiment. If the jobs report is also weak, markets may anticipate one or more Fed rate cuts soon, potentially turning falling interest rates into a positive factor for Bitcoin prices. Trump signs new travel ban, covering 12 countries after Colorado attack. President Donald Trump has signed a new proclamation banning entry to the U.S. for individuals from 12 countries, including Afghanistan, Iran, Libya, and Somalia. The order follows an attack in Boulder, Colorado, and revives one of Trump's most debated policies from his first term. The ban also partially restricts travelers from several other nations such as Cuba, Laos, and Venezuela. The measure does not apply to current visa holders, lawful permanent residents, or teams traveling for major sporting events like the World Cup or Olympics. Special exemptions are included for those fleeing persecution in Iran or assisting U.S. military efforts in Afghanistan. In a video statement, Trump said the recent attack in Boulder highlighted the risks posed by foreign nationals who are not properly vetted or who overstay visas. He also signed a separate order suspending visas for foreign students seeking to join exchange programs at Harvard University, citing concerns about campus safety and reporting practices. This latest move is part of a broader immigration agenda focused on border security, increased deportations, and stricter screening measures. Legal challenges to the new travel ban are expected, similar to those faced during Trump's previous term. Circle debuts on NYSE at $31 per share, valued at $6.9 billion. Circle, the issuer of the USDC stablecoin, has priced its initial public offering at $31 per share, surpassing expectations and raising $1.1 billion. The IPO gives Circle a valuation of $6.9 billion. Shares will begin trading Thursday on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker CRCL. The company sold about 34 million shares in the offering, more than originally planned. Circle's path to going public has been lengthy, with an earlier attempt through a SPAC falling through in 2021. This IPO marks Circle as the second major crypto firm to go public during the Trump administration, following eToro. Circle's USDC is the second largest dollar-pegged stablecoin and plays a key role in crypto trading and decentralized finance. The listing comes as lawmakers consider new regulations for stablecoins, which could benefit publicly traded issuers like Circle. Before you go, tell us, what's your take on today's news? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. You're watching Finance Daily Reports, your source for global finance and politics. See you soon and have a nice day.